Hey guys, how are you doing? How's your day going? I'm just a technology. This is my CS50 web, um, Python and JavaScript, and we were asked to create a project uh, with Django that is like a replica of Wikipedia. So first thing we're asked to do was have an entry page when you search wiki slash something. If it exists, it'll take to that directory, and if it doesn't, it will show you an error. So if you do wiki slash css, it will take you to css page because we have that. And if we search for something that we don't have, it's going to show you an error. Next is an index page where, okay, so the file we installed initially was just plain text, but we're asked to make it links that once you click on it, it will redirect you to said directory. Alright, and next, wow, it's dark. Next is search, which will allow you to search for directories. If you search for a directory that exists, it will take to the exact directory. If you search for something that doesn't exist, it will give you suggestions or related searches. So we'll search for Python because Python exists, and we are on the Python page, and we'll search for Python. And related searches is Python, and if you click on it, it redirects you to Python. Next is ability to create a new page. So create a new page, you're writing new page content, and here's the page you created. I use weird names. I don't have strength to be texting anything. And edit page. So if you can like click on a page that was already created, you can edit it and you can save it and it'll be updated. And random page. This if you click on it will just be suggesting random pages for you. So yeah, I guess that's everything. Yeah.